I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming you have administrator privileges. This allows you to change system recovery settings. Open an elevated command prompt and run reagent/info to see if WinRe is enabled and where winner. Wim lives. If a recovery partition is missing or too small, create or expand one now using disk management or disk part, because WinRe needs a reserved volume. Once done, make sure the path to winner. Wim is valid before proceeding to actually enable the environment. Now you'll register the recovery image and configure WinRe so Windows can boot into it. Run reagent/setrimage with the folder path to winner. Wim, then execute reagent/enable to activate the environment. This writes configuration into BCD. Once enabled, run reagent/info to confirm the status and the assigned recovery partition. If you're using a custom winner, Wim, make sure it contains the necessary drivers and that boot files are present, because missing drivers prevent. Finish by restarting and testing WinRe. Use settings update and security recovery restart now, or hold Shift while selecting restart to trigger the environment. If the system doesn't enter WinRe, check BCD entries with bcdedit and repair startup with bootrec/fixember and bootrec/rebuild, because broken boot entries are a common culprit. Make sure you keep a backup copy of winner, Wim, and note the recovery partition ID so you can quickly restore configuration if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.